Hi, I'm Dr. Jami West, and do you want to know some things that you can do to get rid of your neck pain at home? The first one is changing your posture. So we've talked about the micro traumas and the different things that we do throughout the day that cause our pain in our neck, that change our posture, that our body goes through that's harmful. One thing that you can do is you can take your smartphone and you can hold it up in front of you. So if you watch most people, they're looking down at their phones all the time. Not only does that affect their vision, but it also changes the posture in their neck. And it causes you to look down and it strains those postural muscles. If we do that all day, every day, you can see how we have stress and strain on our spines and on our vertebrae and on our muscles. If you'll take your iPad, take your smartphone, and hold it right in front of you as you read it, you're not going to have this problem happening. So it's going to take a lot of the stress and strain off of that lower neck and upper back. Another thing you can do is the same thing when you're reading. So take your book and hold it in front of you and read it that way. If you're sitting on the couch or sitting in a chair, you can prop both, so bend your knees and pull both knees up towards you. Put a pillow in front of your knees and rest your book on that. That way you're looking straight at it. It's more eye level. The same thing with your computer screens at home. If you're using a desktop or a laptop, make sure that that screen is eye level. If you use multiple screens, make sure that the center of those screens is right at the center of your nose. That way you're not having to turn to look at something one way or another. You can look at both of them head on. Another thing is to limit screen time for your kids. They should be having no more than 30 minutes of screen time a day. When they are using this screen time or a screen iPad, use those same rules for you. So have them put their smartphone, whatever they're using, in front of them. It'll take a lot of the stress off of their eyes. Another thing that's helpful whenever you're using a screen is to use blue blockers. So those are glasses. A lot of your prescription glasses have the blue blocking technology in the lenses, but you can also get blue blocker glasses from Amazon. A company that I use is called Lady Boss. They have super cute kind of clear frames. They have a blue blocker in them, so there's not as much eye strain, because that can lead to neck strain also and headaches, especially with that end of the day eye strain and fatigue if you've been on a computer. So use those. So make sure that your technology is right in front of you. Make sure that you're not looking down at it. Make sure if you're reading, it's right in front of you. If you have multiple screens, split it where the split of the screen is in line with the split of your nose. Don't turn your head and be off looking at something all day, like typing. Put that paper right beside you and work smarter, not harder. So those are some things that you can do at home right now today so that you start to see that neck pain decrease. Send this to somebody that's on their phone all the time, someone that has neck pain, TMJ pain, eye strain. All of these simple tools can help them like today.